One of the oldest towns in the UK is in East Sussex, not any town but a coastal town called Seaford. With beautiful properties and a cliff, it's the best place to go for a hike at the Seven Sisters. You can also do your fishing, surfing and of course swimming here, but you cannot cycle on the pavement, so I decided to skate. If you are hungry and you needed a drink, you can stop by here on my right. There's a cafe where you can get water, snacks, etc. Now for some history about this place. Long before it was a Seaford Museum, it was initially our Martello Tower. This one in particular is the 74 of the small defensive forts built in the 19th century during French Revolutionary Wars. Today, now Seaford preserves its history by turning into a museum and a gift shop. Unfortunately, it is closed because of the pandemic.
There's a big one. Ah! Whoa.
Now I am heading towards Seaford's splash point. The route I am taking towards is called the Seaford Exercise Path. It approximately takes 5 miles to go through the entire path. However, I am not that far from where I'm going to. As I mentioned before, no cycling around this path. To make this time efficient, I skated. Ever wondered about parking? By the way, parking is free. Now we have reached our destination, and now I'm going to show you the Seaford Splash Point. On the seats, there are metal fish-shaped plaques with individual messages.
Beware of waves.
Quite close from the splash point is the Seaford Head Coastal Path. It is a carpet of grass on top of white cliffs that attracts tourists. 86 meters below me as waves crashing on the cliffs, and you can see the panoramic view of Seaford seaside and houses. Unexpectedly, there is a golf course on top of the cliff. Only up to 4 people can play. And if you needed to grab a drink, go to the place called The View. If you want to travel to different holes of the cliff, you can hire a club car. And if it's too expensive, you can rent out electric trolleys or traditional pool trolleys available for hire. As I walk further up the Seven Sisters, there are more holes above, and you can see a lovely view of Seaford. And if you go even further, you are greeted of this view more of the Seven Sisters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and like for more videos like this.